Lastly, we have our int 20, and this is going to end our tracing chart for this. Now we're not going to do a tracing chart for this one, but it's going to be very, very similar. So we have our int 20 command. This is the interrupt 20 command. We're now going to be at the 117 address because it's 3 bits. So our operation is int. We don't have a destination or a source. This is the end. So our instruction format is going to look like the following. If we look in our hand assembly instruction, we see that we have int n, which is our interrupt type n. We have 1100, and then we have 1101. This is our type. Type is going to equal 2 for the 20 right here. It's going to actually equal 20 right here, like this. And so our 110 or 1100 is going to be C, and then our 1101 represents D in hexadecimal. This is all binary, and then we're converting to hex, which is what we want. So we have CD, and then we have this 0010, and that stands for a 2, and this last one is just a 0. So we have CD20, and that's our interrupt command that ends this code.